Sri Lanka has taken the first step toward developing its first Canal-Top solar project, with a preliminary feasibility study and field inspection carried out at the Viyana Canal in Mahiyanganaya on July 20th. The project aims to install solar panels over the canal to generate renewable electricity while making efficient use of existing infrastructure. The Vienna Canal was selected because it stretches for more than 20 kilometers and receives strong sunlight throughout most of the year, making it well suited for large-scale solar power generation. In addition to producing clean energy, the project is expected to reduce water loss through evaporation, help regulate water temperature, and include safety measures to prevent wild elephants from falling into the canal. Inspired by the successful Canal-Top solar projects in Gujarat, India, this initiative is intended to become a model for Sri Lanka's green energy transition. It is also expected to create opportunities for future clean energy technologies, such as green hydrogen production, while promoting sustainable water management and wildlife conservation.